Do you ever worry about the security of your financial data when using an expense management tool? In a world where digital transactions are the norm and sensitive information flows freely across the internet, it's a valid concern. We're talking about receipts, bank details, credit card information, all things you definitely want locked down tight. So, if you're using or considering Expensify, a popular name in expense management, you're probably asking yourself, how secure is Expensify, really? Let's dive into what makes Expensify a seemingly secure platform, starting with their foundational approach to data protection. Expensify doesn't just dabble in security, they aim for what they call the gold standard of security. This isn't just a catchy phrase, it means they align their practices with the Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS. This is the same rigorous standard that giants like PayPal and Visa use to protect credit card information. It's comprehensive, covering everything from how data is encrypted to how systems interact securely. They even have daily checks by McAfee to provide an additional layer of reassurance against potential threats. Now, let's talk about the journey of your data within Expensify. From the moment you hit enter on your expense report, your information is transformed into a secret code. This isn't just when it's sitting on their servers, it's encrypted even when it's moving between your browser and their network. They use HTTPS plus TLS for all web connections, meaning your data is protected at every single stage. For storage, Expensify employs a geographically redundant and PCI-compliant data center, ensuring your data is safe and their systems are always operational. They even use a dual control key system where sensitive data can only be accessed within their secure servers, with the key split and managed by different employees in separate secure locations. Beyond encryption, Expensify implements several other crucial security measures. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a big one. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a secondary login step, usually a code generated by an authenticator app on your phone. Even if someone somehow gets your password, they'd still need your device to get in. They also provide recovery codes, which are essential to store in a safe, offline location in case you lose access to your authenticator app. Expensify also boasts strong compliance certifications, which are independent verifications of their security posture. They undergo annual SOC 1 Type 2 and SOC 2 Type 2 audits by independent third-party auditors. These audits confirm that Expensify has robust controls in place regarding security, availability, processing integrity, confidentiality, and privacy of their systems. Furthermore, Expensify is fully committed to meeting the requirements of the General Data Protection Regulation, or GDPR, which is a big deal for user privacy, particularly for those in the EU. They also regularly leverage third-party experts to conduct yearly penetration tests, actively seeking out vulnerabilities before malicious actors can. What about keeping up with evolving threats? Expensify implements regular security updates, monitors login activity, and provides options for role-based access permissions, ensuring that users only see the information relevant to their responsibilities. They also focus on providing an audit trail of all activities, which is vital for accountability and compliance. So, when you consider bank-level encryption, PCI DSS compliance, annual third-party audits, GDPR commitment, two-factor authentication, and continuous security measures, Expensify appears to take the security of your financial data very seriously. They've built a multi-layered defense system designed to protect your sensitive information every step of the way. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.